On your forecast, another hot day is expected across the Gulf Coast with more heat advisories in effect. All the details you need to know coming up.
Just Jennifer Lambers is with us with a look at the forecast. And Jen, it will be sunny and hot today.
That's exactly right. Emphasis on the hot heading into this afternoon. Here we go. We have our little wasp friend out there for today, enjoying some of that sunshine down at the battleship, but seeing plenty of sunshine so far to start off for this morning. Just a few puffy white cumulus clouds. But take a look at those alerts all across the southeast, really beginning to see more of those excessive heat warnings in place for today. That's going to be more of that purple coloration. That just means that heat index value is going to be soaring well above 110 degrees for many of those areas. Now the orange coloration, that's going to be what we're included in, and that's going to be some of those heat advisories in effect. So looking in just a little bit closer, almost the entire Foxton viewing area included in this. Okaloosa County, the only one left out. But regardless of that, it's still going to be feeling hot. No matter where you are, everywhere is going to be feeling like the triple digits. Now, temperatures out there currently really beginning to see a range. That Gulf Shore sensor is out right there. I wish that it was 70 degrees down there, but upper 80s and also some lower 90s, 91 in Mobile, 90 in Pensacola, along with Destin, and 92 in Calvert. But the heat index values feeling a lot warmer than that. 102 is the feels like temperature in Mobile, 100 in Destin, and then feeling like 98 in Pensacola. Now Gulf Shores was feeling well into the triple digits not too long ago, feeling like 104 at one point. I think the heat just got to it. Well, hopefully we'll have that back later on today. Now over the next couple of hours, daytime high is going to be soaring out there. We're going to be maxing out in a range of the 90s. So we're going to start to see more of those mid to upper 90s as you head further inland. Even by this evening, temperatures dipping down to the 80s by 8 and 9 o'clock. But for all of these temperatures, go ahead and add on about 10 to 15 degrees. It's going to be feeling pretty warm out there, and that trend only expected for the next few days. Now coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, what the 7-day outlook's looking like, and also our next shot at rain. All of that's coming up soon. Chelsea. And here's a look at those heat advisories all across the southeast. Interesting. And also coming up, I'm going to have a look at your forecast. Take
Alps looking at something like that.
I can't.
So pretty. At least I think it's cooler there, though.
I think you're right.
In order for him to do that.
A lot cooler there, especially for the mountaintops. You can only be dreaming about that because it's hot here, and we're really starting to see some of those temperatures.
All right. Yeah, it worked, but again, probably it wasn't legal.
I like the little library with the driving books in it.
It's cute.
Good
Just
idea.
Drive the speed limit.
Exactly. Be careful once you. But again, models in disagreement in terms of the timing. We're going to work hard to keep you updated right here on Fox 10 as we do get closer, but always have a backup plan.
That's right. Well, thanks for joining us this morning for Studio 10.